Peace be upon you, grade 1. How are you? I hope you are well. ازيكم يا سنة أولى؟ عاملين ايه؟ يا رب كلكم تكونوا بخير. Today we will talk about Unit 14 at the library, Lesson 1 and 3. At first, let's go to know what will we learn in this lesson. Number 1, words about animals. Number 2, where do animals live? Number 3, sentences about animals. Number 4, what do animals eat? Now, let's learn some words. Please repeat after me. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Lion, lion, lion. Fox, fox, fox. Snake, snake, snake. Parrot, parrot, parrot. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Elephant, elephant, elephant. ناخد بالنا يا prime 1 in this word. عندي ال PH بننطقها فبقول elephant, elephant, elephant. Camel, camel, camel. Panda, panda, panda. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. Now let's go to learn how we can ask about where do animals live. المكان اللي بتعيش فيه الحيوانات. تمام. We use question where to ask about places. بستخدم question where عشان أسأل على مكان. where أين. where do animals live. where do animals live. عندي كمان يا prime 1 verb live يعني يعيش. ده كمان جديد علينا فياريت نحفظه. please keep it. live يعيش. where do animals live. where do animals live يعني أين يعيش الحيوانات. تمام. بنجاوب we can answer with in the sea, in the sea, in the sea, in the desert, in the desert, in the desert, in the jungle, in the jungle, in the jungle. So a prime 1, where do animals live. where do animals live. in the sea, in the sea, in the desert, in the desert, in the jungle, in the jungle. For example, in this picture, fish. How we can talk about fish? احنا عارفين يا برايم 1 ان الفيش شيء غير عاقل. لما بتكلم عن حاجة غير عاقل او شيء غير عاقل I say it is, it is, it is. And عندي fish, fish. طيب يا برايم 1 word fish start with F, F. واحنا عارفين ان ال F من ال consonant letter, so we use a fish. It is a fish, it is a fish, it is a fish. تمام. طيب لو انا عايزه اتكلم عن ان هي بتعيش فين, where does fish live, where does fish live, I say it lives, it lives in the sea, it lives in the sea. احنا يا برايم 1 في الكويستشن اخدنا live يعني يعيش, live يعيش. تمام. هنا علشان انا بتكلم عن الفيش, والفيش it's singular thing, حاجة مفرد, حطيت مع live حطيت اس, فقلت lives, it lives in the sea, it lives in the sea. إنها تعيش في البحر, it lives in the sea. In this picture, number 2, jellyfish. We say it is a jellyfish, it is a jellyfish, it is a jellyfish. It lives in the sea, it lives in the sea. Again يا prime 1 we put s with live يعيش, live يعيش, أخدنا verb live يعيش, we put s. ليه يا prime 1 أنا حطيت s في الآخر عشان أنا بتكلم عن singular thing. يبقى prime 1 لما أنا بحط verb live أو أي verb تاني بس أنا بتكلم عن singular thing, حاجة مفرد, يبقى أنا لازم أحط في آخر الverb ده s. تمام. علشان كده أنا قلت it lives in the sea, it lives in the sea. And in this picture, octopus, we can say it is, it is. تمام يا prime 1. طيب احنا عارفين ان octopus, word octopus start with letter O, O octopus. تمام. وعارفين كمان ان ال O من ال vowels letter. أخدنا prime 1 قبل كده ال vowels letter, ال A وال E وال I وال O وال U. تمام. فكده prime 1 octopus, octopus start with vowel letter, vowel letter. تمام. So we use an octopus. It is an octopus. It is an octopus. It lives in the sea. It lives in the sea. It lives in the sea. تمام يا prime 1. ناخد بالنا again من verb lives. It lives in the sea. And in this picture, camel. It is a camel. It is a camel. It is a camel. It lives in the desert. It lives in the desert. It lives in the desert. In this picture, fox. So we say it is a fox. It is a fox. It is a fox. and it lives in the desert. It lives in the desert. It lives in the desert. And in this picture, it is a monkey. It is a monkey. It is a monkey. It lives in the jungle. It lives in the jungle. It lives in the jungle. Tiger. It is a tiger. It is a tiger. It is a tiger. It lives in the jungle. It lives in the jungle. It lives in the jungle. It is a parrot. It is a parrot. It is a parrot. It is a parrot. It lives in the jungle. It lives in the jungle. It lives in the jungle. In this picture, elephant. So we say it is, and word elephant start with letter A. A. واحنا عارفين يا prime 1 ان letter E from vowels letter. vowels letter اللي هي ال A وال E وال I وال O وال U. So we use before word elephant an elephant. An elephant. It is an elephant. It is an elephant. And it lives in the jungle. It lives in the jungle. Again, you prime 1, we use lives. lives مش live بس يا prime 1. واحنا استخدمنا letter S في آخر كلمة live علشان we talk about singular thing. احنا بنتكلم عن شيء مفرد، وقلنا ان احنا لما نيجي نتكلم عن حاجة مفرد بنستخدم مع الverb اخره s. فقلنا lives. It lives in the jungle. Now let's learn how ask about what do animals eat. دلوقتي يا سنة أولى هنتكلم عن الحيوانات بتاكل ايه او ايه الأكل الحيوانات بتاكله. ماذا تأكل الحيوانات؟ اتعلمنا قبل كده يا prime 1 question ماذا. السؤال ماذا. ما أو ماذا يعني what and do animals. What do animals. تاني verb يا prime 1 هناخده النهاردة eat. eat يعني يأكل. What do animals eat. What do animals eat. ماذا تأكل الحيوانات. What do animals eat. ناخد بالنا يا prime 1 من verb eat. eat يعني يأكل. تمام. الأنسر بتاعنا بيكون plants. plants يعني نباتات. plants and meat يعني لحم. meat. What do animals eat. What do animals eat. Plants or meat. In this picture, tiger. When we talk about tiger, we say eat and eats. هنا prime 1 again استخدمت verb eat يأكل، eat يأكل. ولأن أنا بس بتكلم عن tiger it's singular thing، حاجة مفرد، فأخدت اس مع eat فقلت eats. قلنا prime 1 إن لما باجي أتكلم عن singular thing عن حاجة مفرد بستخدم مع الverb اس. تمام. فهنا قلت eats. it eats meat. it eats meat. it eats meat. كلنا عارفين ان التايجر بياكل لحم، فقلنا ايه؟ it eats meat، انه يأكل لحم. it eats meat. And in this picture lion it eats meat. it eats meat. it eats meat. And in this picture crocodile it eats meat. it eats meat. And elephant الإليفانت يا برايمون بياكل ايه؟ it eats plants. it eats plants. it eats plants. And giraffe it eats plants. it eats plants. it eats plants. Panda it eats plants. it eats plants. it eats plants. Now let's join camel, fox, jellyfish, monkey, octopus, and lion. In the jungle, in the desert, in the sea. Let's start. Where does fox live? Clever boys, it lives in the desert. Number 2. Where does jellyfish live? It lives in the sea. Number 3. Monkey. Where does monkey live? It lives in the jungle. And camel. Where does camel live? It lives in the desert. And octopus. Where does octopus live? Where does octopus live? It lives in the sea. Clever boys. Where does lion live? Where does lion live? It lives in the jungle. Second question. Lion, panda, tiger, crocodile, giraffe, and elephant. عندي كمان plants and meat. In this question, we ask about what do animals eat? What do animals eat? Number 1, lion. What does lion eat? What does lion eat? Hi, Prayamon. What does lion eat? Clever boys, it eats meat. Number 2, panda. What does panda eat? Clever boys, it eats plants. Number 3, tiger. What does tiger eat? Clever boys, it eats meat. And crocodile. What does crocodile eat? Clever boy, it eats meat. And giraffe. What does giraffe eat? Clever, it eats plants. and elephant. What does elephant eat? What does elephant eat? What does elephant eat? Clever boys. It eats plants. Now, let's choose the correct answer. Number 1. It is a elephant or tiger or lion. It is a elephant or tiger or lion. Hi, prime 1. Clever boy, lion. Second question, number 2. It is space elephant. It is space elephant. We choose a or an. Clever boys, we put before elephant, an. Number 3. It lives in the we say monkey. We see monkey. It lives in the desert or sea or jungle. It lives in the jungle. Clever boys. Number 4. It is a crocodile or giraffe or panda. It is a crocodile or giraffe or panda. Clever boys, crocodile. Number 5. It lives in jungle or sea or desert. Hi, prime 1. A crocodile lives in jungle or sea or desert. Clever boys, it lives in the jungle. Number 6. It eats. Hi, prime 1. A crocodile eats meat or plants. Meat or plants. It eats meat. Clever boys يا برايم 1. كده يا برايم 1 هنكون خلصنا unit 14 lesson 1 and 3. Goodbye. See you later.